What's the deal? It's 10:20 a.m. It's August 7th, 2021. Right now, Ethereum is booming. It's exploding. It looks very bullish right now. I do have $2,124 of Ethereum, which is 0.68 Ether. And I have 643 shares of Akerna Corp. Right now, I'm down 22%. I just been accumulating Akerna Corp, as you can see here. Ethereum just had a historical upgrade to their network. Here's an article that I have here that I would love to read. Since the London hard fork went live, over 11 million worth of ETH has been burned. Just after the launch of the London hard fork upgrade, barely 24 hours ago, so this article is from a day ago, so this would be 2 days ago. A total of 4,160 ETH, which at the current price of $2,800 per coin puts the dollar value at approximately 11.6 million worth of Ether that has been burned on the Ethereum network. The London hard fork upgrade went live yesterday, which is 2 days ago, at exactly 13:33 p.m. Nigerian time, and so far the Ethereum network is burning Ether at a rate of 2.89 ETH per minute, which in dollar terms translate to over 8,000 burned per minute so far, through the new transaction fee mechanism introduced in Ethereum's London upgrade. This means per hour, we have a total of 174 ETH or $487,000 burned. Token burns in terms of cryptocurrency refers to sending an otherwise usable token or fraction thereof to an unusable account. The act of burning effectively removes tokens from the available supply, increasing its relative scarcity, thereby making the token deflationary. The highly anticipated London hard fork is ushering in the EIP-1559 upgrade that is intended to battle the high gas fees plaguing the network. Part of the adjustment introduced a mechanism that burns some of the base fees collected, making Ether a deflationary token like Binance's BNB. An alternative to the Etherscan called Sound.money, which we will look at in a bit, reports that the popular NFT marketplace OpenSea is the top ETH burner with 495 ETH, or just over $1.39 million destroyed since the upgrade was launched. A close second is the popular Uniswap decentralized finance platform, which has burned a total of 317 ETH or $921,000 so far, as of the time of writing this report. What they are saying, Uniswap founder Hayden Adams commented on the burn rate, stating that if things continue at the same rate, the protocol could burn as much as 350,000 ETH or almost $1 billion per year. $1 billion worth of ETH per year. Oh my God, that's a lot. It's a lot of freaking ETH. He tweeted, "It's been 2 hours since the launch of EIP-1559. Uniswap is doing its part, burning 80 ETH so far. At this rate, Uniswap alone is burning 350,000 ETH, close to $1 billion worth per year. Congrats to everyone who made EIP-1559 happen. Huge win for Ethereum." So the bottom line, many experts like Bankless DeFi in its newsletter predicted that at current burn rates, annualizing these figures, this means that between 800,000 to 2.4 million ETH is projected to be burned in 2021. When combined with the reduction in block reward issuance from the merge to proof of stake, the fee burning could lead to Ethereum having a deflationary supply, which would see it fulfill the increasingly used meme of ultrasound money. Alright, so this is the Ethereum chart. This is the 5-day, and this is August 3rd. You can see it was trading sideways, and then EIP-1559 launched. You can see that there is hype behind this upgrade, and it's just been going up very, very nicely. Let's look at the 1 minute candle chart. Daily. Yeah, so Ethereum right now is at $3,083. Alright, so this is sound.money. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit that like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe if you are new. Alright, so this is called Ultrasound Awakening. Track ETH become ultrasound. Alright, so accumulative fee burn. So far, 9,850 ETH has been burned. Alright, so this is the letterboard for the burn. So far, OpenSea has burned the most ETH, followed by Uniswap, followed by Axie Infinity, Tether, then Uniswap V3, MetaMask, Lynch V3, and then USD Coin. So things are looking extremely bullish for Ethereum right now. Ethereum has so many utilities that, it can't be ignored. It cannot be ignored. Here's another article. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin breaks down why the London hard fork is so important for the future of Ether. The implementation of Ethereum's London hard fork this past week represented an important step forward for the cryptocurrency, according to its founder, Vitalik Buterin. In an interview with Bloomberg, Buterin said the fork will help lower its carbon emissions by 99%. The London upgrade is proof that the Ethereum ecosystem is able to make significant changes, he says. Ethereum's London hard fork upgrade that went into effect this past week sets the cryptocurrency up well for important upgrades in the future, its founder Vitalik Buterin told Bloomberg in an interview on Thursday. The London hard fork upgrade to Ethereum's blockchain included EIP-1559. There's a little typo there. A fee reduction feature that has been burning 8,900 worth of Ethereum every minute. So that's 8,900 USD every minute since it went into effect. That ongoing reduction in the supply of Ether is likely aiding to its recent price gains, with the cryptocurrency up 18% since the London hard fork went into effect. 1559 is definitely the most important part of London, Buterin told Bloomberg, adding that the upgrade is proof that the Ethereum ecosystem is able to make significant changes. That's in stark contrast to Bitcoin, which is so decentralized that changes to its blockchain network are incredibly difficult. The Ethereum blockchain still has big changes ahead, most notably its transition to proof-of-stake system from proof-of-work system. That change, which is expected to go into effect in the ETH 2.0 network overhaul, will reduce carbon emissions related to the mining of Ether by 99%, according to Buterin. A proof-of-work system relies on a network of computers around the world constantly running to solve complex problems to support and validate the blockchain. A proof-of-stake platform, which does not incentivize heavy energy consumption, lets users put up their own tokens as collateral to support the blockchain network. Buterin expects the merge to ETH 2.0 to take place in early 2022, but it could come as early as late 2021, according to the interview. The London hard fork definitely makes me more confident about the merge, Buterin told Bloomberg, adding that the transition to a proof-of-stake system would eventually change the economics of Ether, like capping the total amount of Ether supply, similar to Bitcoin's 21 million coin limit. There is a total of circulating supply of 116.9 million Ether coin, according to data from CoinMarketCap. It's 6:37 p.m. now. Right now, Ethereum is sitting at $3,131 here on Webull. So it is still going up right now. Let's look at the chart real quick again. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, it's still looking very bullish. Very, very bullish. Alright, so here are all my buys for the Ethereum coin, Ether. I'm just accumulating. I'm still accumulating. If it does dip, I'll accumulate more. If it keeps on rising and rising and rising, I gotta think if I'm gonna, put in before it rises above 3,500. Right now, I do have a buying power of $71. I'm waiting for a deposit of 150. So I'm just accumulating my buying power a little bit. And when Ethereum drops, if it drops, 5% or whatever, it drops a little bit, I'll buy some more. I do want a full coin of Ether. That would be amazing. Alright, so this is a kernel here. A kernel is 51% of my portfolio, and Ethereum is 48.7% of my portfolio. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart real quick. Bitcoin being the leading cryptocurrency, it basically leads all the other crypto. If Bitcoin goes to 10,000, everything else is going to drop massively too. So far, everything is following Bitcoin somewhat. There seems to be a decoupling going on with Ether and Bitcoin. Eventually, I do expect Ether to flip Bitcoin's market cap. Alright, let's do some comparing. Ethereum, in the last 3 months, it's down 7.4%. Bitcoin, in the last 3 months, it is down 19.7%. In the last month, Ethereum is up 38%. Bitcoin is up 29.8% in the last month. In the last 5 days, Ether is up 25%. Bitcoin is up 15.6% in the last 5 days. And in the past day, Ether is up 7.9%. Bitcoin is up only 2.2%. One thing about the Venture Warrior channel, here there is nothing but transparency. Alright, so hit that like button if you like transparency. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell. Right now I'm up $401 in the past 5 days. In the past month, I'm up $432. Past 3 months, I'm up $316. In the past 6 months, I'm down $417. Past year to date, I'm up $274. All time, I'm up $488.75. You can see that my chart is absolutely all over the place. I love risky trades. I love, the chance of making a good amount of money, not, slow, massive market cap stocks. No. We like risk on this channel. We like risk, tendies. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Peace.